In this session, let's discuss about sentence. What is a sentence? We all know that sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense, isn't it? Now, I have a question for you. Is there any sentence which you can frame in a single word? The answer is obvious. Yes, of course you can frame a sentence that consists of a single word. So sentence can be divided according to function and according to structure. And by function it can be divided into assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence, and also optative sentence that denotes. For optative sentence we will remember a mnemonic, that is PWD. P, W and D. So PWD stands for prayer, wish and desire, and that is why optative sentences are also called a desire sentence. Now sentence can be divided according to structure as simple, complex and compound. Now what is a simple sentence? Simple sentence always have one finite verb in it, and a complex sentence must have one principal clause and one subordinate clause, and compound sentence always have two main clauses. One is in this side, one main clause and another main clause, and in between there will be coordinate conjunctions. What will be in between? Coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions can be remembered by a mnemonic, that is fanboys. Just notice on the board what I have written. As I have mentioned the coordinate conjunctions, always remember that coordinate conjunction always conjuncts two units and they must be are of same rank. Coordinate conjunctions then can be coordinate and subordinate, and these two conjunctions basically we need to do this simple, complex and compound sentences. So for compound sentences we need coordinate conjunctions, and for complex sentences we need subordinate conjunctions. So coordinate conjunctions can be further subdivided into adversative, cumulative, irrative and disjunctive. In order to remember the coordinate conjunctions, you need to remember fanboys, and accordingly you need to remember ACID. ACID. This is a mnemonic which stands for adversative conjunction, cumulative conjunction, elative conjunction and disjunctive conjunction. Disjunctive conjunctions can also be named as alternative conjunction. Adversative conjunction, which shows the adversity but and yet can be used. For cumulative conjunction we can use and. I stands for elative, and for that we are using so and for. And for D, that is disjunctive conjunction, disjunctive or alternative coordinate conjunction. For disjunctive and alternative coordinate conjunction we can use or nor. And see, here I have written the sentences function. According to function we can divide into 5 parts. 5 sorts of sentences are there according to function. They are assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory and optative. And also for optative sentences are also called desired sentence, and you can easily remember the function of it by PWD, that is prayer, wish and desire. And here I have written single word sentence. See, for assertive sentence, yes, no, certainly, impossible, this is a sentence which gives a complete and concrete meaning, isn't it? For imperative, you can use stop or look, and interrogative you can use why, what, and for exclamatory you can use bravo and hurrah. Now we all know that a sentence must have a structure. The basic structure that we frame in order to frame a sentence, we need to have a subject plus verb plus object, isn't it? So in place of subject and object, whom do we place? We can place a noun, can be noun or a pronoun, and in the place of an object also we can place either a noun or a pronoun. You all have a concrete idea of how to transfer, how to change a complex sentence to a compound and a simple one. So here is a sentence, please try to change it. Though he is poor, he is honest. This is a complex form and you have to change it to simple and to compound. See, I have changed this complex sentence to simple and compound form. So dear students, in this class you have learned about sentence and its function. According to its function, it can be divided into 5 types, and according to structure it can be divided into 3 types. And also you have learned about conjunctions, coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunctions, and I have given you a homework. So please try to solve this simple sentence, going home they found their brother. If you like this class, dear students, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button.